Hello, and welcome to the Fulminata Robotics YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wirelessly connect and download code onto your robot controller, hub, or phone. Using ADB, Android Device Bridge. It creates a bridge between your computer and your robot controller in order to download code without any wires. First step, you're going to connect to your robot controller's Wi-Fi. After that's complete, you're going to go to this Windows toolbar and type in CMD, hit enter. You're going to go into the command prompt. Now you're going to type CD for change directory. You're going to change the directory to app data, local, Android, SDK, and then platform tools. Hit enter, and you'll switch to this new directory. Now you need to go over to your driver hub or your driver controller. In the top right, you'll see 3 dots. Click that. Then tap Program and Manage. And down here, you can see this is the number that you want to remember. Copy, write it down, whatever. 192.168. This number may be different for you. .1. In fact, this whole number may be different from you. Everything after the slash and before the colon. That's the number that you want. So, using that number, I'm going to type ADB, which is the tool we're going to use, and we're going to run a command, connect. We want to connect to our robot controller. Then the IP address, 192.168.43.1, and then hit enter. Now you can see my robot controller is connected to my computer without any USB cable. If I open up Android Studio, you can see it's connected to the robot controller and we can easily download code. Now, when you want to disconnect to a different Wi-Fi, you need to run one command first. You need to run ADB disconnect. This will disconnect your computer from your robot controller. As you can see here, we're no longer connected. I'm just connected to my driver hub. And then disconnect your Wi-Fi. I don't know why you need to do this. Please put it in the comments below if you know why. Otherwise, that is all you need to do. Please comment below any problems you have or any suggestions you have for me. Like the video to help the algorithm, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.